In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Chrome notifications in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want websites to be able to send you alerts, reminders, updates, or permission requests directly in your browser. Whether you're trying to stay on top of email alerts, social media notifications, or website updates, turning this on only takes a moment. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look up to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots icon. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access all of your browser settings. From that menu, click on Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page. On the left side, or sometimes in the main settings area, depending on your device, click Privacy and Security. This section controls the permissions and safety settings for your browser. Next, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, including things like location, camera, microphone, and notifications. Now scroll down and click Notifications. This is the menu where you can control how websites send notification requests and whether those requests are allowed at all. Here you want to select the option that says Sites can ask to send notifications. When you turn this on, websites will be able to request permission to send you notifications. If this option is turned off, websites may not be able to ask properly, which means you could miss important alerts or updates from sites you actually want to hear from. Once this setting is enabled, Chrome notifications are turned on, and websites can request permission the normal way. If you ever want to change this later, you can come back to the same notification section and adjust the setting anytime. So that's how to turn on Chrome notifications quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful browser tips, and I'll see you in the next video.